Hello guys, in this video we will see how to save the PostgreSQL select statement output to a file. So first connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres pwd. See, the file will be saved in this location psql \o, but go to the particular database by using \here \connect, verify list of tables. Okay, now give the file name, Ctrl L \o, then give the file name customers.txt. You can give txt or csv, anything. Then run the select statement, select star from customer, put semicolon. See, output is not displayed because the output is saved in this file. But again, if you want to confirm or save, use the \o. Now if we run the same, select star from customer, see, output is displayed. Now exit from the PSQL client, ls. See, here we have the customers.txt file, more customers.txt. See, we got the same output whatever is there here. Okay, this is the way to save the select statement output to a file. We can also save the file by going to pgadmin. Okay, let me show you. See, here I have the bank database, right click, query tool, then run select star from customer, put semicolon, select it, execute it. See, we got the output. See here, see, we got the output. So if you want to download, click on this download button. Now we can select the, by default is CSV file. If you want to give some other one, then select the all files, then give the file type. Okay, then you have to click on save. This is the way to save by using pgadmin. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to save the select query output to a file on Linux operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.